Hello everyone. Radhan Center of Design and Innovation is happy to get back the STEM Festival. The theme is Back to the Future. We are having students from all over India participating in this festival today. We've been able to get it after 2 years, and we have our team from Dubai also here to host it.
I would love to be there right now with you and work on the different challenges that you could try to tackle over the next days. It's really inspiring to see that you showed up here to work on ideas of how we can fix the present and the future.
So this is our finalized product. This body was made using 3D printing, and these were some components which we coded in C++.
Now the heat is too much, so we have to solve the problem of extreme heat in Phoenix, Arizona. So we have to create slides, find out the problem, and create prototypes to solve the problems.
Our product will basically target people who are living near the coastal areas.
We thought very critically, we kept all the problems in mind that we need to solve, and we came up with AeroBot 360. It is a high-tech purifier that uses 4-step filtration.
It was really nice to see where the next generation's headed and how everyone is thinking about how to improve the world and how to actually create a positive impact.